Frustrated with shaky setups or mounts that just can't handle your training? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best heavy bag ceiling mounts that will keep your bag stable and your workout smooth. From rock-solid durability to easy installation, I'll break down what makes each option stand out. And yes, I'll be upfront about the pros and cons. Let's jump in. Number 1. Overall best pick, Epaul Heavy Bag Hanger. The Epaul Heavy Bag Hanger is impressively versatile and sturdy. The 360-degree swivel mechanism delivers smooth rotation, perfect for punches, kicks, or even aerial yoga moves, while the solid metal construction and beam mount design feel rock-steady during intense use. Installation is straightforward on exposed wood beams, and the compact profile keeps your space tidy. On the downside, it's not ideal for use with drop ceilings or thin ceiling materials unless you add proper reinforcement. Overall, if you're training in a garage or room with exposed beams and need a reliable, multi-function mount, the Epaul is a solid choice. Number 2. My second best pick, DitizHub Heavy Bag Hanger. The DitizHub Heavy Bag Hanger is a heavy-duty staple for serious training setups. Its 360-degree swivel and 600 pounds weight rating give you the confidence to swing, punch, or hang aerial gear without worry. Crafted from robust metal, it feels solid under pressure, ideal for multifunctional setups like resistance bands, yoga swings, or even heavy leather bags. Installation is secure when mounted to a substantial wooden beam, and the integrated steel hook is compact yet tough. The only downside, it's not the easiest to retrofit into drywall, meaning you'll likely need an existing exposed beam or professional reinforcement for safe use. Number 3. My third best pick, DitizHub Heavy Bag Hangers. The DitizHub Ceiling Mount Hanger is a sturdy, no-fuss solution for hanging heavy bags, aerial yoga swings, or resistance bands. Its solid metal bracket and included carabiner makes setup quick and secure, and it handles movement with confidence, great for dynamic workouts. The compact design keeps installation clean, and it's durable enough for frequent use. One drawback, it demands a fully exposed ceiling beam or professional reinforcement to be safe. Drywall or weak joists won't hold up. Overall, if you have the right structural support, this hanger offers reliable performance and versatility for your training space. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Stainless Steel Punching Bag Hanger. The stainless steel punching bag hanger with bearing is an impressively robust ceiling mount for serious training setups. With a hefty 1,000 pounds load capacity and smooth 360-degree swivel bearing, it delivers seamless rotation and sturdy protection, even with heavy leather bags or intense workouts. The stainless steel construction and included carabiner offer both rust resistance and solid durability. Installation feels secure when mounted to strong ceiling joists or beams. On the downside, the weight and bulk of the hardware makes setup a two-person job, and it's not suitable for lighter or weak ceiling materials. Overall, if you need a durable, long-lasting hanger for heavyweight use, this is top tier. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Heavy Bag Hanger. The heavy-duty punching bag hanger bracket is a reliable all-rounder for boxing, Muay Thai training, or even light aerial work. Its solid construction and smooth 360-degree swivel provide stable rotation and durability for high-impact sessions. The bracket is versatile, compatible with both wall and ceiling installations, and works well with wooden beams. Setup is straightforward and compact, making it easy for home gym spaces. On the downside, some users may find that securing it to drywall without reinforced joists compromises stability, so proper mounting is essential. Overall, it's a thoughtful, sturdy choice for serious athletes with the right support structure. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite heavy bag ceiling mount? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.